Cups with the ice and we do this every night. I don't got no tights. Bad bitches is the only thing that I like. You got no life. I don't got no tights. Bad bitches is the only thing that I like. You got no life. Cups with the ice and we do this every night.
Start off by applying foundation all over your face and neck. Then apply powder foundation all over your face to set everything in place. Moving on to the brows, start off by applying dark brown color to frame your eyebrows. And use a spoolie brush to blend the harsh lines. Then apply tiny strokes onto the inner corners of the brows and use a spoolie brush to soften it. Next, apply foundation or concealer to define your eyebrows. And use your finger to soften it. Moving on to the eyes, start off by applying warm brown color all over your eyes. Then use the same brush mixed with a plummish brown color and apply it onto the lower lash line and bring it up to your eye socket. Next, apply dark brown color just above your inner and the outer corner of your crease. And use whatever left on the brush, bring the color up to the outer corners of your eye socket. And blend it together with a brush. Then apply highlighter onto your brow bone. And use your finger to soften it. And also the inside of your crease and the inner corners of the eyes. Next, apply cream color onto the center of your crease and your brow bone. Then apply a tiny amount of pigment onto the center of your lower lash line and the inner corners of the eyes. Next, tightline your eyes with black eyeliner and don't forget the inner corner and the outer corners of your waterline. After you curl your lashes, apply mascara onto the upper and lower lashes. This is optional. Apply a tiny amount of dark brown color just below the lower lash line. Moving on to the face, apply contour color down each side of the bridge of your nose and connect two lines together under the tip of your nose. And soften it. Then apply the same color with a brush onto the side of your face. Then apply pink blush onto the side of your cheeks. Next, apply highlighter onto your nose bridge. Cupid's bow, and your chin. Moving on to the lips, apply dark berry color onto the inner parts of your lips. And use your fingers to feather it out. Then apply the second layer of the same color onto the inner parts of your lips and feather it onto the center of your lips like so. To make your lips look fuller, apply coral lip tint onto your lip line and bring it out just above your lips. Then apply setting powders around your lip line. Lastly, apply lip gloss onto the center of your lips. And we're done. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. And if you want to watch more of my videos, please click it right here. I'll post the link in the description box for you guys. Or if you want to follow me on social media, please go right ahead. And I guess I'll see you guys next time. Bye!